Namaskaram to everyone. A few weeks back, sometime in March, um, I was taking Hanuman Chalisa chanting sessions for a small group of people. It was a 2 week chanting session where we were learning few chaupais every day, and at the end of 2 weeks, we completed the Parayanam. Hanuman Chalisa has been a guide, a protection for me in the past 3 years. Whenever I chant Hanuman Chalisa, I feel like Hanumanji is giving me strength and courage to pursue, to push through whatever challenges that come my way. So I remember listing down a set of goals for 2025. In that list, I had made learn RamaRaksha Stotram as one of the line items. I tried to recite by myself following a couple of YouTube videos. But whenever I started to learn RamaRaksha Stotram by myself, I would always end up getting stuck in the first Dhyana Shloka. The Dhyana Shloka is of 4 lines, and I found it slightly more challenging to learn the pronunciation. So I tried for a few days and then I put a pause on this particular goal. Then Hanuman Chalisa classes happened, and I felt so blessed and so happy that I was able to share this powerful shloka with a group of enthusiastic participants who joined the sessions diligently, and we were able to conduct the Parayanam at the end. During these 2 weeks, I accidentally stumbled upon a message from Nirvana Academy. Earlier, I used to follow them on Instagram. I have also done a few of their courses before, yoga related courses, Nitya Pratana chanting. But since I'm not on Instagram or any other social media platforms, I didn't follow them, what they were up to, what are the other programs that they were offering. So I got a WhatsApp message that they are conducting this RamaRaksha Stotram workshop, 11-day RamaRaksha Stotram workshop, and I immediately signed up for it. So I learned RamaRaksha Stotram thanks to Vijay Lakshmi ji, who conducted the session so beautifully. The timings of the sessions were from 7 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. for 11 days, but not even on one single day the session ended at 8:15 p.m. It would always go after 9:15, because she has so much to share. She doesn't hold on to the wisdom that she has gained through her sadhana and her learning. It is not just about learning the pronunciation, learning the meaning of each shloka within RamaRaksha Stotram, but she also gave a lot of background information from Ramayana, from various other scriptures. So it was a complete immersive learning experience, and I felt so happy learning RamaRaksha Stotram every day, looking forward to her classes. And now we are doing our own sadhana, practicing RamaRaksha Stotram every evening. So now I can confidently say that I have learned the first 4 lines of RamaRaksha Stotram, the correct pronunciation, thanks to Vijayaji. I'd like to chant those 4 lines. Dhyanam ध्यायेदाजानुबाहुन्द्रुतशरदनुषं बद्धपद्मासनस्थं पीतं वासो वसानन्नवकमलदलस्पर्धिनेत्रं प्रसन्नं वामाङ्कारूढसीतामुखकमलमिलल्लोचनं नीरधाभं नानालङ्कारदीप्तं धततमुरुजटामण्डलं रामचन्द्रम्. Thank you, Vijayaji, for helping me as well as so many other enthusiastic participants to learn this very powerful Ramaraksha Stotram. And ever since I started chanting the full Stotram, I feel an even more sense of protection and strength coming from Sri Rama. And of course, as we chant more and more of Ramanama, Hanumanji is also happy. So that's how the journey of um, how Hanuman Chalisa led me to learning Ramaraksha Stotram. Just wanted to share this beautiful coincidence. Thank you, Vijayaji, for making this happen. And definitely, I would look forward to signing up for your other workshops as well, because chanting is such a powerful, immersive experience, um, connecting to the divine through these powerful chants, shlokas, and stotras. And I really enjoy chanting every single day. Thank you.